I've tested a lot of eSIMs during my travels, and honestly, not all of them are created equal. Some are slow, some are expensive, and some just don't work reliably across multiple countries. After trying so many, I found Saley eSIM, and in my experience, it's the best eSIM for travel. Today, I'm going to tell you why I highly recommend it. So, what is Saley? It's a digital SIM app that lets you connect online instantly without the need for a physical SIM card. Everything happens directly on your phone. You just pick your plan, activate it, and you're ready to go. Saley works in over 200 countries, which makes it perfect if you're traveling across borders. The pricing is flexible too, so you can choose single country plans or broader regional ones depending on your trip. Now, if you want the best deals, make sure to check out TrueTech Rank. It's a site packed with tech essentials, from VPNs and hosting services to antivirus software and eSIMs like Saley. They constantly find the biggest discounts and exclusive offers, so it's the easiest way to make sure you're getting the lowest prices on tech. When it comes to choosing your plan, Saley gives you two options under all destinations. The first is country, giving access to over 200 individual countries, ideal if you're visiting just one destination. The second is region, which covers larger areas like Africa, Asia and Oceania, Caribbean islands, Europe, global, Latin America, Middle East and North Africa, and North America. This way, you can pick exactly what fits your travel plans. Using Saley is super simple. Instead of wasting time hunting for a SIM card at the airport, you can set everything up before your trip in just a few minutes. First, choose your Saley data plan. Select the country or region you're traveling to and pick the plan that suits your needs. Then, download the Saley app and follow the instructions. The setup only takes a few taps, and once the eSIM is installed, you're ready to go. Your plan will activate automatically when you reach your destination or within 30 days of purchase, so you never have to worry about losing connection while traveling. Saley eSIM works worldwide, letting you change your virtual location to access region-locked content and use banking apps safely abroad. It also provides web protection to avoid phishing and includes an ad blocker to cut intrusive ads and save mobile data. Overall, after testing many options, Saley is the most reliable, convenient, and affordable eSIM I've found for travelers. To find the best deals on Saley and other tech services like VPNs, hosting, and antivirus, check out TrueTech Rank, which offers exclusive discounts you won't find anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.